the box me go nyam. You hear me? The box. Believe. I'm in Jamaica, where are you? Finally reached KFC. Once you're in Jamaica, you have to try the KFC. I've been hearing that, you know, it tastes kind of change. It tastes kind of change and, you know, as good as one time. But, you know, me make sure say me have to come and try to myself. The barbecue is almost watch the barbecue popcorn chicken. Okay. Watch the line, you know. That's how we reach. Oh my God. This is unusual, bro. Kind of unusual. What is going on? When you come in, I'm expecting the line to everything. But yes. You know if that means the chicken not taste good. I'm excited to go somewhere in Jamaica. If you ever come to Jamaica, you have to try Jamaica KFC. Make sure barbecue. If you not try barbecue, I must say the chicken not taste good. Make sure barbecue. High and wing, and then I do the non-tire, so when you go buy it. Full of champagne, fries, and that's it. Maybe. We check out the prices then now. So price rate, me is everything raised. Big deal 14.20. Meal 10.50. Zero. Big box. Family buffet. Alright, normally my classical meal are always medium. Barbecue.
2 meal deal, barbecue, Thai and wing.
Both are in Thai and wing?
Yeah.
Cola champagne.
Cola champagne.
Fruit. Pepsi.
Two Pepsi.
Anything else?
That's it. Still take them here, right? Huh? Still take these, right?
Lana, move a little bit faster to them. I like that. Thank you. I like your tail. Yes, guys, I am a celebrity, okay? I just want to put that out there. Nice to see you. You hear that? Yeah. Here. Bye-bye. It's my bro right there. But they are $2.99, so I can see if I'm going to skip over me and say $2.98, $300 because I have to come down. I say if they ever make the mistake and do that, you are going to get the riot with trust higher in your today. You hear me? Yeah. I've been waiting like for 5 years for this moment. But you barbecue like so much. Jesus. Fresh. And I get full up now, so it looks like so we did come in at a good time. Because you want to see the line, you know. We never come in at a time, but I just turned back and I couldn't get through. So guys, I am so excited. Look at that. Drinks smell low. Here always. Drinks very small. Look on the size of drinks and put them everything. Thank you. Ay. Bro, we are going to come and go catch up the phone and now one part. Lord of mercy. Them the chicken you look like a body. Them look like a boat, guys. Alright, so barbecue KFC chicken. Yep. 2 piece. See the tie there and wing. Look a bit of fries. Yeah. Bro, I'm dead.
I did me a water.
I like. You know, look smart.
Yeah, you know, in a bag fair.
What's this? Fear, Ty, look big on for me, do. Small. Alright. Taste this, guys. KFC chicken, let's go. Hot man, so you don't have to use the fork. Woman, it's a big woman. I brought the maximum. You know, fries and everything. So then I have no cola champagne. I did one, but then just have Pepsi and what they say, tropical punch. Yeah, so we're good way again. I'm grateful. At least I have something in water. I like.
You like everything you like. What's so special about it?
Pepsi.
Some things you don't like.
Yeah. Just as I remember, fresh and water down. Not much. Right at home. Oh wow. Big moment. The box me ako niyama. You hear me? The box. Believe.
Put the better.
Jesus Christ. I say, I'm not telling a lie. My mind is at peace. I was actually in doubt, you know, guys. I was in doubt. But God knows, tastes good. Well, not everything. Me no know, they no miss. They no miss. Me no know what they put in it again. But they no miss none at all. I say only box me want me hammer. That's crazy. Wow. I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? In the United States. Canada. Wow. What are you having for lunch? Chick-fil-A? Crazy. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I can manage 3 piece. What do you think?
For me, you would not for me. Would not for me. And I must eat that one time.
The last time I come, I made get the wing spicy, but I worst decision I made ever make in my life. Dry puff. I know me I try it if you know. Look no weird. But I was so disappointed. I said, why I never take butcher? Why me never take barbecue straight? See, then never again. I learn my lesson.
The one that Hitman.
Hitman 6. Guys, barbecue KFC chicken for the win every time.
Never go wrong.
10. 10. Wow. Guys, I don't know if back in the day, I don't remember when KFC used to have them wipes, they like, what do I call it? Sanitary wipes, we get off everything, off your and everything. Where are they now? We miss it. We miss that. Because I just smell a chicken and I don't mind. I don't mind, but the point is no matter how I wipe my hand, my hand sticky, so I have to make sure say I wash my hand. But overall, everything was good. My birthday celebration, really have the best time here. There with my family. You know, we spend time together, we enjoy, we say we get to see my nephew, hang out with my brother, my sister, and mommy. Long overdue. Everybody enjoyed themselves and I'm happy about that. Everybody happy. Make a bag of picture, make a bag of videos. So make sure so you stay tuned with the vlog, you know, because videos with days, the amount of things we have to post. But guys, big up on yourself. Thank you so much for watching. And thank you for all the birthday wishes in advance and the birthday wishes to come. One of the best. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, supporting my journey, and because of, because of you guys make me keep pushing out content, because it is encouraging when I see in the comments and the likes, shares and the feedbacks, and then look forward to me to go live on Sundays and the food posts and just everything. The massive support where you give me, it make me want to continue to show up for you guys. So you all mean a lot to me. Thank you so much. Big up on yourself. Do remember, get yourself a box of KFC today. Barbecue, okay? Still tastes good. Me know say Ocho Rios branch still win. Me not sure about the other branch them, so I just speak on what me know. But yeah, I'm just saying. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Big up on yourself. Bye.
Probably have to look at this now.
Alright, maybe go look now.
Yeah.
Yeah, go run.